Hi, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and welcome to my channel. So I just completed my 33rd week on investing on my M1 Finance. So welcome to my channel. Welcome to my pie called the Moneymaker. My Moneymaker pie consists of 90% stocks, 5% real estate, and 5% bonds. Before I give you guys an update on how I performed my 33rd week, so if you guys just kindly smash that like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. On my 33rd week, I did not deposit any money on my M1 Finance account this week, but I think I still won this week. Let's go through my pie and let's see how I performed this week. We'll start with my stocks, which is 90% of my pie. And let's change this to week and let's see how I did. Okay, of course, we'll save the no dividend for last. So we'll go to my technology, which is 30% of my stocks slice. Nvidia, I gained $44.12, which is 5.51% return. Microsoft, I gained $25.34, which is 3.64% return. Skyworks, I lost $4.40, which is down 0.83%. So my technology, I won, I gained $65.06 this week, which is 3.21% return. I did not earn any dividends. All right, let's go to my consumer, which is 12% of my stocks slice. McDonald's, again, $18.45, which is 5.31% return. PepsiCo, I lost $2.32, which is down 0.67%. Procter & Gamble, again, $5.74, which is up 1.85%. So you guys can see my consumer slice won this week. I gained $21.87, which is 2.18% return. I did not earn any dividends. All right, now let's go to my industrial, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Honeywell, I gained $13.38, which is up 3.84%. 3M, I gained $16.96, which is up 5.22%. Waste Management, I gained $8.59, which is up 2.85%. So we got another winner for my industrial. I gained $38.93, which is 3.99% return. I did not earn any dividends. So as you guys see, if you guys been watching my channel since I started, my portfolio changed a lot. I had over 50 stocks before. Now I only have like 19 stocks. But I think since I minimized my pie, I've been gaining more money because I pretty much only leave my best performing stocks on here. All right, let's go to my finance, which is 8% of my stocks slice. So my finance used to be 10% last week, but I changed it to 8%. And then my technology last week, it was 28%, and I made it at 30%. All right, so let's go to my finance. So my finance, I sold JP Morgan last week because I decided not to keep it anymore, and I don't think it was growing enough, and I wasn't really satisfied of the dividends. For my Visa this week, I gained $10.76, which is up 2.05%. So my finance, it says I gained $11.38. It's because JP Morgan gained some money before I sold it this week. My return for my finance is 1.64%. Let's go to my communication, which is 5% of my stocks slice. Verizon, I gained $10.05, which is up 1.83%. I did not earn any dividends. My healthcare, it's 5% of my stocks slice. Johnson & Johnson, I gained $6.75, which is 1.95% return. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my last slice from my stocks. Let's go to no dividend, which is 30%. For Tesla this week, I gained $17.15, which is up 1.53%. Square, I gained a whopping $70.91, which is up 13.38%. Roku, I gained $4.19, which is up 0.97%. As you guys know, Roku did not really do well after they announced their earnings. It went down for about $10 after Wednesday. So my no dividend this week, I gained $92.25, which is 4.43%. So as you guys can see, my no dividend slice has been killing it this past few weeks. So for my stocks, as you guys see, I didn't have any slices that lost this week. Of course, my biggest gainer is my no dividend, followed by technology. I'm pretty proud of this slice of my pie. For my stocks slice this week, I gained $246.29, which is 3.21% return. I did not earn any dividends. Even though I did not earn any dividends, I'm really satisfied with my stocks growing so far So I don't really care if it doesn't have that much dividends right now. All right, let's go to my real estate, which is 5% of my pie. American Tower, I lost $3.73, which is down 1.45%. Digital Realty Trust, I lost $2.28, which is down 1.21%. So as you guys can see, my real estate lost this week. I lost $6.01, which is down 1.35%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my last slice of my pie, which is bonds. This is 5% of my pie. For this week, my Vanguard total bond market, I gained a whopping 38 cents, which is up 0.09%. My earned dividends is 76 cents. Well, this is the only dividend that I received this week. So as you guys can see, my moneymaker did pretty well this week. It would have done better if I deposited money. But, I just wasn't able to deposit this week. Maybe I'll deposit next week. But of course, as you guys can see, I'm at $8,788.46. It's already August. I got 4 more months until 2020 is over. And I'm almost going to hit my goal, which is $10,000. So yeah, I can say my moneymaker has been doing so far. And I think I've been good at keeping up my investing. All right, so my moneymaker this week, I gained $240.66, which is 2.82% return. My earned dividend is from my Vanguard Total Bond Market, which is 76 cents. So that's how I did on my 33rd week. I'm investing on my M1 Finance. Of course, you guys, if you guys have money, try to start investing while you guys are young. Just keep investing, keep growing your wealth. I'll give you guys an update again next week. So I'll see you guys. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.